today's video, I'm going to share how we grew wheatgrass in just a week. I'll put a link to the kit that we used in the description below. First, you're going to pre-soak the wheatgrass seeds in a container for 4 to 6 hours. Then hydrate one soil puck in a separate bowl with 3 cups of water. Transfer the soil to the planter and then spread the drained wheatgrass seeds evenly across the surface of the soil. Cover with a paper towel and water twice a day until the wheatgrass seeds germinate. Once the seeds germinate, remove the paper towel and continue to water twice a day. When the wheatgrass blades are 5 to 6 inches tall, it's ready for harvesting and juicing. We added our wheatgrass containers to an office nook to add a little life and color to our workspace.